Well, Carper Court decided 12 months ago to start an academy which encompassed a LMS program to educate our members, to improve their performance, to provide onboarding for new staff. We've got a number of stores now that have signed up to the program, and they're actively using the content and using it in their store on a daily basis. So, and we're adding more content to it as we go. Not one person can do the whole thing, so we need expertise from the various fields, from video, from the digital experience, to bring it all together, and it's worked remarkably well. To get the reach of a national network, particularly in times where travel's been difficult and trying to get large groups of people together on a regular basis, an LMS system is really the only way to do it. When we started the journey, that your promise was, leave it with me and I'll bring it all together for you and I'll make it look great. And I think that's exactly what you've done. We said what we wanted, you listened to what we wanted. We've given you all the material. You said that, leave it with me, I will turn this into something amazing, which is what you've done, and you've brought all the resources together to make that happen, and it's been great. And on a personal level, we've been able to talk whenever, pick up the phone, change things last minute, all those things that we've needed to do to hit the right deadlines and make the product that we're providing for our members a first class experience. So without you, we wouldn't have been able to do that.